Namaskar, I am Ramchandra. I am teaching for the 5th standard. Our today's topic is adjective. Adjective or describing words. Look at, in our day-to-day life, we use various types of describing words. These describing words are called adjectives. What is meant by adjective? Adjectives, an adjective gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Adjective gives more information about noun and pronoun. Generally, these adjectives give us or tell about ability, quantity, quality, number, order of the noun that it describes. Adjectives tell us about the quantity, quality, number, order of the noun that it describes. That means we come to know about the noun or pronoun. That's why it is said that an adjective gives more information or modifies more information about the noun or pronoun, and that word is called a describing word or adjective. For example, a hungry fox chased a cat. A hungry fox chased a cat. Here, hungry is the adjective. Hungry is the quality of a fox. Hungry denotes quality of the fox. That's why hungry is the adjective. The second example is there is little water to drink. There is little water to drink. Little is the adjective. We can say that how much water to drink? How much? You can ask the question, how much? Little is the answer. There is little water to drink. This is the adjective of quantity. This is the adjective of quantity. Look at one another type of adjective is adjective of number. We can ask the question how many. We get the number. For example, I will be absent for 6 days. I will be absent for 6 days. 6. How many days? You can ask the question. 6. 6 is the adjective of number. Some adjectives are used with countable as well as uncountable nouns. For example, I have some dishes. I have some food. Dishes, this is a countable noun, and food is the uncountable noun. When you think about the adjective of number, all cardinals and ordinal numbers are adjectives. Remember properly, all cardinal and ordinal numbers are adjectives. For example, I stood in the 3rd row. The next example is I have some food. Some is the adjective and it's uncountable. Food is the uncountable noun and some is the adjective.
A few examples based on adjectives. Observe the picture and choose the correct pair of describing words. चित्राचे निरीक्षण करून योग्य वर्णनात्मक शब्दाची जोडी निवडा. 4 पर्याय: टॉल शॉर्ट, बिग स्मॉल, गुड बॅड, लॉंग शॉर्ट. बिग अँड स्मॉल, is the correct answer. The next question number 2, fill in the blank with proper describing word. योग्य वर्णनात्मक शब्दाने रिकामी जागा भरा. I saw dash dash elephant. 4 options are given here: cold, long, big, juicy. Big is the correct answer. Question number 3, look at the following picture and choose the correct describing sentence. चित्र पाहून योग्य वर्णनात्मक वाक्य निवडा. 4 वाक्य आहेत. This is a short tree, this is a big tree, this is a shallow tree, this is a thin tree. This is a big tree is the correct answer. Question number 4, read the given sentence and decide which one is describing word. वाक्य वाचा आणि वर्णनात्मक शब्द कोणता ते ठरवा. I have a new book. 4 options are given here: I have, new, and book. Option number 3, new is the correct answer. The new is the adjective, book is the noun. Question number 5, look at the picture and choose the incorrect describing word from alternatives. दिलेल्या चित्रासाठी पर्यायांपैकी अयोग्य वर्णनात्मक शब्द निवडा. आता हे लाल रंगाचा ॲपल आहे, परंतु ते गोड ॲपल किंवा गोड सफरचंद असं पण आपल्याला म्हणता येईल. लाल सफरचंद असं पण म्हणता येईल. ज्युसी पण म्हणता येईल. परंतु लॉंग हा पर्याय चुकीचा आहे, म्हणून लॉंग ॲपल इज द करेक्ट आन्सर. लॉंग ॲपल इज द correct answer. Question number 6, choose the correct alternative for a given picture. दिलेल्या चित्रासाठी योग्य पर्याय निवडा. Hot hotter hottest, large larger largest, long longer longest, tall taller tallest. Look at tall taller tallest is the correct answer of this question. Question number 7, observe the picture and choose the correct pair of describing words. चित्राचे निरीक्षण करा व योग्य वर्णनात्मक शब्दाची जोडी निवडा. 4 पर्याय आहेत. पर्याय क्रमांक 1, hot and thin, red and beautiful, big and strong, long and green. Red and beautiful is the correct answer. Question number 8, choose the opposite word for underline describing word. अधोरेखित वर्णनात्मक शब्दासाठी विरुद्धार्थी शब्द निवडा. I saw a strong boy. Look at strong. Strong म्हणजे शक्तिवान किंवा ताकदवर. ताकदवर या शब्दासाठी, स्ट्रॉंग या शब्दासाठीचा विरुद्धार्थी शब्द या 4 पर्यायातून निवडायचा आहे. 4 पर्याय आहेत: अगली, स्मॉल, वीक, थिन. पर्याय क्रमांक 3, वीक म्हणजे कमजोर, कमकुवत, म्हणून वीक हा स्ट्रॉंगला विरुद्धार्थी शब्दार्थ आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, कंप्लीट द कन्व्हर्सेशन विथ करेक्ट डिस्क्रायबिंग वर्ड. संभाषण योग्य वर्णनात्मक शब्द वापरून पूर्ण करा. 4 पर्याय आहेत: ग्रीन, ब्लू, व्हाईट, रेड. There is a conversation between Minu and Raju. Minu said to Raju, look at my new t-shirt. Raju said to Minu, your t-shirt is as dash dash as your sandal. Your t-shirt is as red as your sandals. Option number 4, red is the correct answer. And the last question, match the pair of opposite describing words. वर्णनात्मक शब्दांच्या विरुद्धार्थी जोड्या लावा. ब्युटिफुल म्हणजे सुंदर. विच इज द करेक्ट ऑपोजिट पेअर फॉर ब्युटिफुल? अगली. अगली म्हणजे कुरूप. अगली इज द ऑपोजिट वर्ड फॉर ब्युटिफुल. सेकंड वर्ड इज फास्ट. फास्ट म्हणजे जलद. फास्टला विरुद्धार्थी शब्दाची जोडी कोणती आहे? स्लो. दॅट्स वाय स्लो इज द करेक्ट आन्सर. थर्ड वर्ड ड्राय. ड्राय म्हणजे कोरडा. त्याला विरुद्धार्थी शब्दाची जोडी कोणती आहे? वेट. स्ट्रॉंग. स्ट्रॉंग म्हणजे ताकदवर किंवा मजबूत. त्याला विरुद्धार्थी शब्दाची जोडी येईल वीक. वीक म्हणजे कमकुवत, कमजोर.